Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to download the Mycelium app on your smartphone. Before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. If you're on iOS, then you might want to open up the App Store. Since we're on Android, let's go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. Once you've opened the Google Play Store, go ahead and type in Mycelium on the search box and then tap on the search box. Once you find the Mycelium Bitcoin wallet, tap on the install button. This will begin the installation of the Mycelium Bitcoin wallet application. Wait for a while so that the download and installation can complete. And when it's done, tap on the open button. This will now open up the Mycelium application on your smartphone. Now you will be asked whether you want to create a new wallet or restore a backup. If you want to log into your existing account, just tap on Restore Backup. And if you want to create a new account, tap on Create New. Now, after signing up or logging in, you will be able to use the Mycelium application on your smartphone. So there you have it. That is how you can install the Mycelium application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, then make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to be notified with each new video that we upload. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.